In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a saved card from your Alibaba account. This process is straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure it's as simple as possible. To get started, you'll first need to log into your Alibaba account. You can do this either through Google Chrome on your desktop or directly through the app on your mobile device. If you're using the app, make sure you have the latest version installed to avoid any compatibility issues along the way. Chrome users should verify their browser is up to date for the best performance and security. Once you've successfully logged in, your next move is to navigate to your account settings. Whether you're using a computer or the mobile app, look for an option labeled Account Settings or Payment Methods. These are typically found in the Profile or Settings menu, often represented by an icon featuring a person or a gear. Take your time to find it, as the exact location might differ slightly depending on the device or version you're using. After accessing your account settings, you should see a list of options related to payment methods. Look for the section where your saved cards are listed. This is where all of your linked payment methods will be displayed. Scroll through the list until you find the card that you want to remove. It's important to double check that you've selected the correct cards, especially if you have more than one saved under your account. This helps to prevent mistakenly removing the wrong payment method. Now select the card you wish to remove. Once highlighted, you should see an option to delete or remove the card. The button might be labeled differently, but it generally should be easily identifiable within this section. Clicking this button will initiate the removal process. At this point, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is standard procedure to ensure that you are intentionally making this change to your account settings. So, when asked to confirm, go ahead and do so. This will finalize the action, and your card will no longer be associated with your Alibaba account. It's always a good idea to double check that the card has been successfully removed by revisiting the list of saved payment methods to ensure it is no longer present. And that's it! You've successfully removed a saved card from your Alibaba account. This process helps secure your payment methods and ensures that you have control over your financial links to your Alibaba account. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out other videos for more tips on managing